Hey guys, the brand sent me this handheld fan for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you what makes this one so cool and unique. Now, a lot of times these fans only have 1, 2, maybe 3 different settings, but this one's different. This one's got no less than 100 different settings, so you can go anywhere from 1, getting stronger here, all the way up to 100. You can hear that wind power. There you go, maximum cooling. It also tells you how much battery is left. You can see it's the perfect size, not too big, not too small. It's portable, you can take it to work with you, you can take it on vacation, camping, cruises, to the beach, or a music festival to stay nice and cool. It's USB rechargeable using the provided cable here, holds a charge for a long time, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a handheld fan that has several different selections as far as the power of the wind.